Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by powering the watch and preparing your phone. Charge to at least 50% because firmware updates can drain battery quickly. Open the Noise app and grant Bluetooth and location so pairing can occur reliably. This is why permissions matter. Use the apps Add Device, Flow, and scan the watch QR, or select it from the Bluetooth list within about 2 meters. Once paired, allow the app to sync watch data. This initial sync establishes time, profile, and settings for accurate tracking. Now configure the watch for daily use. Set your time zone and pick a watch face that shows the metrics you need. Faster display timeout saves battery. In health settings, enable heart rate, SpO2, and sleep tracking and choose a sampling frequency. Higher frequency gives finer data but uses more power. Next, customize notifications and do not disturb windows so you get alerts without interruptions. Make sure to sync after changes. The watch stores preferences locally, but needs a sync to apply. Complete setup by running the guided tutorials and starting a short workout to confirm heart rate, step count, and GPS lock work together. If a firmware update appears, apply it while the watch is charging. Updates fix bugs and improve sensors. Make sure sync completes and that historical data appears in the app. If things go wrong, reboot the watch and your phone, toggle Bluetooth, and retry pairing within 2 meters. This simple reset resolves most connectivity issues and preserves your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.